At Seacoast, we provide elegantly designed, beautifully crafted, and securely upgraded or restored homes at affordable prices. When a Category 5 hurricane barrels towards your home, you can take comfort in knowing your roof will withstand winds over 150 miles per hour without leaks or structural failure, allowing you to weather the storm with peace of mind. As your general contractor and licensed roofing contractor, we can inspect the connections between your roof trusses and exterior walls. This allows us to ensure the connections meet local building code requirements. If we find any issues, such as insufficient nailing or strapping, we are licensed to install the necessary reinforcements. This provides a seamless process, eliminating the need to hire multiple contractors to complete the job. During Hurricane Ian, which hit harder than Hurricane Irma, metal standing seam roofing and stone-coated steel roofing proved to be the most resilient, with these systems being the only ones to remain intact. Metal roofing is generally considered the best option for hurricane resistance. With this project, Western Seam 24-gauge 1-inch nail strip, fully straightened, was used. It is a standing seam panel snap lock system that uses screws and does not have clips. This means that the fasteners on each metal panel are not visible or exposed to the weather. Additionally, concealed fastener panels are more weather-tight. The male flange has 1-inch slots that are spaced 6 inches apart and fastened directly to the roof deck. If your Southwest Florida home or condominiums requires roof repair or replacement, you now have a sure resource by which you can be confident.